How to make a natural Botox with only 3 ingredients to get rid of wrinkles on face quickly. If you want to get rid of wrinkles on the face by Botox, but without injecting potentially damaging chemicals into the body, in this video, we will guide you on how to make a natural Botox to get rid of wrinkles on the face so fast and safely. This Botox is made by 3 familiar ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. It will solve all your wrinkle problems in your skin without causing any side effects. And the best thing is that it will nourish your skin and help fight against aging from deep inside, thus help getting rid of wrinkle formation easily. Here's how to prepare. Firstly, take a saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then, add half a glass of water, about 120 milliliters. Dissolve your cornstarch thoroughly. Once dissolving cornstarch, pour in the saucepan some boiling water. About 100 milliliters is enough. Now, turn on the stove and cook the mixture with low heat. It should soon be thick and condensed. Thus, you have to mix it well during the simmering time to not let it stick to the saucepan. When the mixture thickens, you can turn off the heat. Then, pour your mixture in a glass bowl and allow cooling for a short while. About 5 to 10 minutes is fine. In the meantime, you can take advantage of the redundant time to wash your face thoroughly with warm water and exfoliate carefully. When the pores are expanded, applying Botox will absorb nutrients better. After the cornstarch mixture cools, add 5 tablespoons of carrot juice. Take the juice directly from the fresh carrot is the best. Carrots are one of the best natural anti-aging fruits. Vitamin A found in carrots helps prevent wrinkling very effectively. Finally, complete your Botox with sour cream. Just adding 1 tablespoon of sour cream helps retain moisture content and stimulates collagen production. Thus, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the face. At this time, stir everything well until all ingredients are completely combined. Your wrinkle removal mask is done. Here's how to use it to remove wrinkles on face. Clean your face, then spread this mixture over your face in a circular motion and massage your skin at the same time. The remaining mixture can be kept in the fridge. Relax and leave the mask on your skin for half an hour. After this time, rinse the Botox mask away with some warm water. Use the nourishing or moisturizing cream to finish. Use this mask for 3 consecutive days. Once you complete your 3-day natural Botox treatment, you will find wrinkles reduced significantly and will notice that you look much younger. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.